Have you been wondering how you can make your soft cookies? Worry no more. I brought you the recipe. This is very easy. I always make my recipe so easy so that it's easier for you to follow. This is very super yummy and delicious soft cookies. All you need to do is to follow the steps. Here I'm using my homemade butter and brown sugar. I'll be whisking both to well combine. So you can use white granulated sugar if you like, but I choose to use the brown sugar. This is optional, but sugar is a must. I'm using one whole egg in this recipe. Then I'll be mixing everything to well combine. And this time I added my vanilla flavor, but I was surprised the video was not on when I added it. So I decided to use my spatula to do the mixing. So I added my flour, cornstarch, salt to taste, and baking soda. I'll be leaving the right measurement that I use for this recipe on my description. Please check it out later. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I do appreciate that. Thank you. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like my video, comment and share. Here I added my chocolate chips to this recipe. So remember to like my video because the more you like it, the more the YouTube and Facebook introduce it to other people to see. Here I'm using my ice cream scoop to scoop it. So you can use spoon or you can mold it with your hand depending on what you want. So as you can see, this is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. All you needed is just follow the right amount that I'll be listing on my description and do yours. Here I'll be baking it for 15 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. It's done. Came out so well. Hope you will get to try yours. This is very easy recipe. You can do it on your own. It does not take time. Came out so well and very yummy and delicious. So remember to subscribe and follow my page at Glatory Flavors and always like, comment and share. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.